Do that again. Bottom. Move it.
All right. Let's see what we got. We have
glasses.
We need glasses. We need light too. Let's get some light on this bad boy. We got the Valor 4000 PSI water jet, the G jet. We are cleaning out about 145 feet. Yeah, 145 feet of 6-inch sewer main from that clean out to the manhole right there in the center of the street. We pulled the toilet off the first floor right powder room, and then we water jetted from that floor flange, the closet flange, to the house trap. Our trap is clean. Now we're going from the house trap clean out to the street. If you live in the Long Island area, preferably near Woodmere, give us a call, 516-348-6300, or save time, book online at pipedoc.net. Ladies and gentlemen, same-day service for residential and commercial is available. We also have the electric mini jets that offer up to 1,500 PSI of pressure to power wash your inside drain piping. Don't get bamboozled by your normal plumber who don't have the right tools for the job. You give us a call, 516-348-6300. Let me show you the clean out that we're working with here, guys. There's the clean out. Not too shabby. Two-man job, folks. Two-man job. The Honda Valor G-Jet, 4,000 PSI. Getting it done. A little bit later, folks, we're going to show you the video camera inspection of the sewer main. We had it as abandoned house. This mega mansion, abandoned mega mansion, abandoned for almost 5 years. There was so much scale on the inside of the piping. But we're blasting through it right now. Getting the job done, folks. Getting the job done. Kind of hard to see here, but why is it very, oh, there we go. Okay, nice and clear picture. The glare. They're gonna be mad at me because they can't see anything because of the glare. Yeah, they'll be all right. But I gotta tell you, it looks clean. I just see that little bit of rust stains.
2,200 pounds to 4,000 pounds.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. It's clean. Look at that. Nice. Can I zoom in? Yeah, clean. Excellent. We do every mainline stoppage, whether it's a water jet or mechanical cleaning. We use the rigid sea snake to verify and to make note of any documented issues with the sewer lane. So if your plumber's not doing this, maybe you get what you pay for, maybe you don't, but give us a call and you'll know what's going on, because we leave no stone unturned. 516-348-6300.